Hey guys, so I just downloaded the voice recorder app for my Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and what I really want to do is I want to make a like I want to make a notification sound, or like say I get an email, or say I get a text message. I want to use something that's not the standard sound. So this is one way to do it, and you can do this with your voice, you can do it with music, you can do it with anything. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the voice recorder, I'm going to hit standard, and I am going to let this record right now, and I'm going to get down on my knees here and get really close because I'm going to record something, and I'm going to say something like, oh my god! And then, so that's the recording. You hit this button to record, and then you hit it when you're done. So I'm going to go ahead and hit stop, and we'll call this oh my god. We'll hit save. Oh, category, interview, speech to text. No, it's not in any of those categories, so no category. We'll hit save. Alright, so here's a list of all the things that I have recorded in the past that were transferred from my other phone. So now what I want to do is I want to go to what are we going to? We're going to go to the settings. That's what we're going to go to. So under apps, look for the gear thing. It says settings. Click on settings. Go to sounds and vibration, sound mode, and I'm going to go to ringtone, and I'm going to pick something. Oh, right. Okay, so here's a bunch of the standard ones that are already here. So like, wait, turn the volume up on this guy. Let's see. Oh, I was hitting the down button. Okay, so. So that's what the standard one was. And wow, that's pretty loud. Okay, so that was the standard one. I don't like that. So I want to add one. So now it's going to go to all the things that I recorded, and one of them should be like oh my god, and there's like oh my god. Like oh my god. All right, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to hit done, and now the ringtone is like oh my god. So now whenever I get a ringtone, whenever the phone, rings, then it's going to say like, oh my god. So that's kind of cool. So that's a demonstration on how you can record your voice and make a customized ringtone. Of course, you can do this for music if you want, or you can, if you had music on your phone, which I haven't loaded any music onto this phone, you could do it with a piece of music as well. So they'll pop up when you hit the plus button. It has a list of things that you've recorded, okay? So you can use any of those. And, whoa, it looks like put over the horizon in there. That's weird. So, yeah, so that's basically how you can use the voice recorder app in order and make a ringtone. But the thing is, remember, my other video will show you the voice recorder app is not automatically, or at least it was not automatically on my phone. I had to download it from the Samsung Galaxy store. So you go to your apps, hit the Samsung group, and then hit Galaxy store, and then you had to download the voice recorder from there. But it's a really small program, and you'll see in that video how to do it, and it's not a big deal. So it doesn't take up any space, and it takes a minute like that. So anyway, that's how you do that. That's how you make a customized ringtone. So if you like this video, go ahead and like it, and if it helped you, anyway. If you don't, yeah, that's okay. You can hit don't like. I appreciate that too. At least that way I know if I'm doing a good or a bad job. And if you would like to support the channel, just all you gotta do is hit subscribe. That helps me so much. You have no idea. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the space below, and we'll talk. So I hope you guys have a great day. Make it a great day. Enjoy yourselves. Take care.